It's Go Boy. They said we couldn't make it. Watch this. Oh, Apple Music. Let's go. Started from a bedroom with a dream and a phone. Built this from the bottom, now we standing on chrome. Every beat we dropped, every lyric we wrote, every late night session kept us pushing the boat. They laughed at the vision, said the sound wasn't right. Now we on the playlist, running every night. From Mogadishu to the streaming highway. Apple Music picked us up and said okay. No label, no budget, no industry hand. Just pure dedication and a mic and a plan. Now the algorithm working overtime. Every single track we drop is climbing the climb.
They try to count us out, but we never lost our way. They try to shut us down, but we had too much to say. We nagu dayan karaan, Balse, Nagama Badin karaan, hada, Nagama karaan, Apple Music, galan. We nagu dayan karaan, Balse, Nagama Badin karaan, hada, Nagama karaan, Apple Music, galan.
We don't need the gatekeepers opening doors. We kick them down ourselves and we wanted more. Streaming numbers rising every single day. Soul and rhythm AI, that's what we say. Jaamac boy with the lyrics, AI with the sound. The combination that is taking over ground. From the Somali streets to the global stage, we're writing history on every page. Double time the flow when the beat gets slow. Watch the bass line hit and watch the numbers grow. They said AI music wasn't real enough. We said watch us prove that we are more than tough.
This for every creator who was told their sound wasn't good enough. This is for every dreamer who kept going when the road got rough. Apple Music gave us wings, soul and rhythm AI gave us everything. Now we fly